to all of you in Python series. In today's video we will see what is while loop, right? How to use while loop in Python. So it is similar as we have seen in our college time in C and C++ language, right? So I'll show you the practically how to use while loop, right? So this is the basic syntax of while loop. Your while statement, your logical expression, and if this statement will get executed until this condition is true. Once this condition gets filled, your loop will come out of this, right? So for example, if I want to just print one number from 1 to 10, then what I need to do, I need to just write while your I is greater than equals to 10, right? And print I, right? Now here while writing code I'm getting this, right? So how to overcome this, right? Whenever we write while loop, we need to give the start condition. So I have to mention this start condition here. So my I would be 1, right? And right, if I just run this program, then my loop will go into infinite loop. Why? Because every time I is less than 10, so what I need to do, it every step, it every iteration, I need to increase the I by 1, right? So what it will do, I just initialize the initial condition, value of I is 1, so 1 is less than equals to 10, condition is true, it will come, it will print I, and what it will do, this statement will increase i's value by 1, right? You can also write I like this, that is also acceptable in Python, right? So now when this line will execute, your i's value would be 2, it will go back to while condition, it will check 2 is less than 10, yes, condition is true, it will come and it will print I, and likewise it will go just to 10, 10 is less than equals to 10, it will print I, i's value, and it will increase 10 i's value by 1, so i's value would be 11. Now it will again come here, and 11 is less than equals to 10, condition is false, and it will come out of the loop. So you will get from 1 to 10 as output. Let's run this code. You can see, right? So this is a very basic for loop. Okay, we also can produce even odd number from 1 to 100, right? So what I need to do, I need to just check if your I is mod equals to 0, right? Print number is even, and what we can also print this number I, else number is odd, right? And after it we just increase the i's value by 1. Okay, let's run this program. So the start position is 1, 1 is less than 100, 1 mod by 2 equals 0, condition is false, it will jump to here and print value of I. See the output, 1 2 3, right? So it will generate number from 1 to 100. Okay, so this is the while loop, right? How to use while loop in the program, I'll show you. I've shown you. So that's it from this video. If you really like the video, please click on the like button, and please do subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.